Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, D1. I love to draw and I'm sure you also love to draw as well. I am use pencils, markers and paint. But I'm getting bored using these things again and again and again and again. So I thought let's make something magical. So I decided to make magic paper, also called scratching paper. So let the magic begin. We need some black paint that's special. It dries really quickly and it makes it so hard pointing things can draw on it. And this is a brush to get the black paint and spread it onto the paper. We have a paper, a white paper. We have some crayons too. You can choose any color. I choose red, green and yellow. So let's get started to make it now. So we're going to color the paper yellow first, but no white lines. And also make patterns with these colors. Ta-da! It looks like this. And make sure no white lines on it. And it's time to cover with the black paint. First we have to shake it. And we have to do two holes. Open it. Put a little bit color on first. And spread it back. So when the first coat is done, we have to let it dry, okay? And when it's dry, we have to make the other coat. And then voila! The magic paper is done! When it's done, it looks like this. I made another one to show you. So let's leave this aside and let's test it out. You see, I have a wooden thing that I put a popcorn in there, and it has subscribe to like and share sign. So let's get started and make it. Whoa! Look at it. It's so cool. La, 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 la. Wow, it's so amazing. Look at this, guys. It's so cool. And it gives you a nice, colorful surprise. And you can draw anything you want on it, like mine. I got this for my mommy and me, okay? Look